Oh my God. Namaste. How to install? Okay. The most common complaints from that when they do the coating on the veneer is unmatched, and is really proud that we are solving that issue because our coating is even in all the panels. Best quality and eco-friendly.
I think Indian, their consciousness is more higher now. They are especially care about environment friendly and then the fire resistancy.
Finishes. KD Eco Laminates is really good. You have very good color option in very affordable price. It's very hard to find the same color in any another brand. बहुत अच्छा option है. Elegance in color, good in texture, best finish. Eco plus laminate is bendable, so architect have so many options to make different design, and even the most headache part in another brand, the black edges. The Villa project lobbies, they have big height, and it's very hard to get the laminate up to 10 feet and more than 12 feet. In KD, the height is infinite.
I'm proud of this is a brand from Taiwan.
Candying is a growing company, and they always innovate in their products. I am so excited to see Veneer's factory, and your Veneer factory is really advanced. This is the only company I saw who caring for the end user, given that we can earn this much 40K USD in the beginning. So of course we feel so proud to join the KD.
I would say it's a pani puri because it's small things with many flavors. Same as a KD product, you have so many options.
Wow, so good. बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है. केडिंग जो है हमेशा इनोवेटिव प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करता है. प्रोडक्ट जो है टॉप ऑफ द मार्केट है.